Okay, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra might not have all the hardware upgrades we wish for, but could still deliver an experience other Android phones simply can't match. If these S26 Ultra rumors are right, we're talking game-changing privacy display, subtle but meaningful camera upgrades that actually matter, and the massive One UI refresh that could change everything. Starting off is the display. Since super bright OLED screens are common now, but the S26 Ultra is taking its display game up another notch. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.8-inch screen peaked at 2600 nits, the S26 Ultra is rumored to use a newer M14 OLED panel. This is important because it's expected to be significantly more power efficient and capable of reaching higher brightness levels. But the real secret weapon here is a new feature called Privacy Display. This is powered by a technology called Flex Magic Pixel, and it will automatically limit the screen's visibility from side angles. Think of it like a built-in privacy screen guard, but one that automatically adjusts. Strings from leaked One UI 8.5 firmware even indicate you can customize this feature, selecting the conditions and apps for which you want to use the private display. More privacy, less peeking, especially in public. Next, let's talk cameras. The S series always looks great on paper, but the image quality has, at times, felt a little average. The S26 Ultra aims to fix that with a few small changes that will make a big difference. While the main 200-megapixel HP2 camera will supposedly remain unchanged, it's being paired with a brighter f1.4 lens. This is a huge deal. It's going to boost the amount of light hitting the sensor, which means a noticeable jump in image quality, especially in challenging low-light situations. Beyond the main shooter, the leaks suggest Samsung will switch to a higher resolution 12-megapixel 3x optical shooter, and the 5x telephoto camera may get a wider aperture lens too. These upgrades should lead to sharper, brighter, and more detailed images in low-light conditions across the board. For the creators out there, the phone is also seemingly sporting new pro-grade video features, including support for the APV codec, taking a cue from the iPhone. This is going to give professionals far more flexibility in post-production. Now, the software story here is just as big. With One UI 8.5, we're expecting major UI changes and polish to system apps. Lock screen customization will get big upgrades, and the adaptive clock will get enhanced object detection. Crucially, it's set to debut new Galaxy AI features like Meeting Assist, Smart Clipboard, and Touch Assistant. While these aren't new to One UI's Chinese build, 8.5 is supposedly planning to expand their availability globally. More importantly, the S26 Ultra is rumored to be based on Android 16 QPR2, potentially making Samsung the first Android manufacturer to base its custom skin on an Android quarterly platform release. This shows Samsung is committed to following Google's development timeline and could consistently be among the first to roll out major Android updates. Finally, let's touch on the phone's design. Samsung already moved to rounded corners with the S25 Ultra for better ergonomics, but with the S26 Ultra, the company is doubling down on this, with leaked dimensions suggesting the corners will get even more rounded. This should greatly help with ergonomics and pocketability, even though the phone is supposedly going to be slightly wider and taller than its predecessor. To complement the curvier frame, the S Pen's edge may also be made rounder. This rounder frame should also look great with the redesigned rear camera module. So while there are a few lingering concerns, it's clear the Galaxy S26 Ultra is focusing on software and breakthrough technology to deliver an unmatched experience. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be greater than the sum of its parts, and easily one of the best flagships of 2026. How much are you most excited about this phone? Let me know in the comments below. If you're looking forward to more news on the S26 Ultra, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.